Today, our primary 2 students learnt about sounds. We did an experiment where the children were supposed to recognize the sound sources.
You have to let him focus on the sound.
Also, they learnt that when you go near a sound source, the sound is louder than when you're away from it.
Yay! Give a clap to Sanul. He found the sound source. Good job.
Can you point to the symbol? Yes.
They also learned to work like a scientist, predicting, following the instructions, doing the experiment, and deciding on the results.
Next, can you point to the drum? Yes.
This experiment helps students to understand the lesson better, all the while having so much fun.
Yay! Good job.